Shinsuke Nakamura's match with AJ Styles at WrestleMania didn't meet its lofty expectations. Everything changed though when the King of Strong Style turned heel by giving AJ a low blow. On SmackDown, Nakamura was simply amazing with this new heel persona. First, he offered a phony apology backstage, and then blatantly lied about not being able to speak English in order to avoid explaining his actions. Later in the show, he delivered a brutal Kinshasa to the back of Daniel Bryan's head, and then he continued to dish out even more low blows to AJ Styles. Nakamura is great at using his body gestures to convey how much of an unrepentant jerk he is right now, and it's a vast improvement over his relatively bland babyface character that we saw for much of the past year.